Video 3D Jewelry. Today I'm sharing the 3D design and render method for these earrings. First, using the circle curved 12 millimeters. Adjusting the size and shape of curves. We need two curves. Using the skew twist to twist the curves. Adjusting the height of the curve will change the degree of twisting. Use the loft surface to create surfaces. Open the grasshopper. Find the Mobius flow tool from Workbox. Set up the planar surface, and then draw the curve as a custom section. Now we have the Mobius ring surface. Rotating the view, adjust the thickness to see the effect. Find the axial rotation from the transform. Connect the components. We can visualize the effect more. Adjust rotation direction. If the direction is wrong, we can reverse the curve. Adjust the rotation direction again to achieve this effect. Adjust the curve to change its shape. Shrinking the curves inside reduces the space in the center. Adjusting the curves on the outside can change its size and shape. Adjusting the height of the curve changes the height of the space. Find the Extract ISO curve from Curves tools. Adjusting the direction of the Extract ISO curve. Copy as many sets of values as you need. Demonstrate the effect of 3 sets of values. Find the Sweep 1 from Surface Tools. Connect the rail curve and fit to object respectively. Delete the original section and replace it with a circle section. It needs to be thicker, so adjust the width. Adjust the axial rotation component to the back. Rotate and copy of Sweep 1. The previous steps can be adjusted at any time. If you want more gold wires, you can copy more data. Adjust the value to make sure it's in the right place. Some positions are wrong. Adjust the rotation direction again. Different effects can be created on metal surfaces. Find the diamond texture from Texture Tools. Hide Sweep 1 and adjust the U/V number. This is a simple faceted effect. Conical texture allows us to create raised and recessed effects. These surfaces are too small to use too high a value. Hide the front components to make sure the final effect is displayed. That's better. Bake the 2 final components. Make sure they remain in the workspace after closing Grasshopper. Let's check its overall effect. Adjust the model angles using the Rotate 2D. Click the database icon to open the interface. Find the ear stud from Earrings. Adjust its position. Use the mirror to get another earring. Done. We can import to Keyshot for rendering. Use Bridge tool to send a model to Keyshot. Waiting for model import. Assign the metals first, and I hope they're matte. Selection of metals is required. Add the ground and add the material. Adjust its material. Change to white. Too bright. Change to overall darker environments. This is what I want. The earrings are suspended in the air. It's not real. Adjust the angle and position of the model. Make it in contact with the ground as if it were actually placed there. When we're done, adjust the angle and position of one of them again. Rotate the environment to adjust the position of the shadows. Adjust the image. Adjust according to the screen, not suitable for fixed values. Don't worry about making a mistake. My values are different every time. Let the model shine through bloom. Adjust vignette strength. Focus the image on the earrings. Add an orbit animation. We can adjust the degree of rotation. This sharing is over. Thank you for watching.